And off to space we go. Alright, that's a crash landing. So we got a mess up here, but we can clean that up, and pretty soon we're making space science. There's a bunch of tech for space science, so this will take a while. And we add some recycling and other things. That'll do for now. Let's get out of here. That is not where we told you to land. Thank you for missing completely. Time to expand again, but this time we've got some new weapons. So we'll prep the base with the railgun and turn to this cryo something weapon and see what that does. Oh, that's effective. Alright, so what's the biological weapon do? Ooh, pretty. Fireworks. Oops, I need some help. I'm out of here. And then we test using it like a wall. It makes a very effective wall, but it'll kill me too, so it's a bit dangerous. Mall number 3. I do forget to feed stones to my stone furnace here. Oops. Otherwise, the belts are ugly, but the only rule with them all is if it works, you're done. For simplicity, I switched to a warehouse to store stuff for the train. Our science and space is stalled out, so time for a resupply mission. Yeah, let's actually use the landing pad. And we're out of here. And a clean landing. Hack, hack, hack! Alright, stones make it to the stone furnace now. It's fine. And it's time for core mining. Alright, this core mining drill produces cores at 15 per second plus a 20% bonus. They get produced in a whole pile of odds and ends, which go into the sushi belt to be stored in boxes. The interesting one is a pyroflux-based thing. These guys take pyroflux and iron ore and produce molten stuff. They go into casting things, of which I need 54? Okay, so 54 we make. They produce steel and iron and copper this way. The ingots from there go into here, and 1 ingot, 10 steel. All the things produced flow into this warehouse for a multi-stop LTN provider. Oh, I had to add coal insert here. It turns out it didn't make enough coal by itself, so I pulled some from the nearby mine. This multi-stop would sometimes insert too many items into a train, which is a problem if the train's trying to fill the cars with multiple items, so I track exactly the number of items going in. And when it gets too far, this filter inserter on the other side takes them back out, leaving the train with exactly what it wanted. This mostly works and gets me through until I decide I want better, but it does trigger a weird warning from LTN where it complains that the train left the station missing cargo. I upgraded red chips, and back to space we go. I've got things to do. And sometime later, I've got this. It automatically unloads a cargo pad. It builds belts, platforms, science packs, and pipes. Good enough. We're out of here. Cool. It landed where I wanted this time. While I'm busy probably goofing around, space has used all my low-density structures, so time for a resupply mission. Alright, the final upgrade to my multi-provider LTN stop. This one inserts exactly what the train wants. So this train, for instance, that wants 20 stone and 13 wood, gets exactly 13 wood and 20 stone. And it does that by sending an exact count into the inserters of the item they want. You can only request a single item at a time because these are large filter stack inserters. And it basically provides the count of items wanted to the first inserter and then subtracts 12 for the next one and 12 for the next one after that, so on, because the maximum stack size is 12. And when combined all together, that'll give the train exactly what it needs and no more. This gets rid of the LTN warnings and any risk of inserters holding onto items that don't fit in a train. So space science is about to finish up, and we need Vulcanite to keep our tech going. So that's Mariel. I think I got a rocket full of what I need. Oh god, here we go. New planet.